Past weekend, monster floods overtook Gila Bend, leaving many residents with nothing. Today, some very important Arizonans, including Governor Doug Ducey himself, got together to help in relief efforts for the city of Gila Bend. Luis Lopez has more.
I was here Sunday, just one day after the massive storm, and I got to see the damage firsthand. Today, residents are still picking up the pieces. Governor Ducey and local state lawmakers vowed to help in any way they can.
Governor Ducey, along with local state lawmakers, gathered at the Gila Bend Fire Department to talk about helping those displaced by this powerful storm. Governor Ducey touched on the serious damages, saying he's heartbroken to see how families have been affected.
I want to say that if you do see these homes, it's heartbreaking and it's devastating what has happened. And it's not just the physical destruction of property and the loss of memory and the inconveniences. It's the anxiety that comes on a family.
Local Senator Sina Kerr says that seeing the destruction firsthand made her happy that leaders work together on this issue.
You know, when I got to me, I get emotional because I won't ever forget that Sunday afternoon, meeting with the people that were so devastatingly impacted, and just looking them in the eye and say, I will do everything I can. I know my teammates from LD4 and also LD13. We work well together.
Governor Ducey gave a shout out to those who stepped up to the plate.
And if I were to say the best thing that I saw, it's the folks that surround me here. It's the members of this community that came together to help their neighbors and their friends. And they did it selflessly, and they did it in the face of real danger.
That includes Fire Captain Fred Burkhardt, who, despite the incredible risks, stepped up to save lives.
Every time all of us that, take our oath and, wear our badges with honor, we know that every time we walk out the door, there's a chance you may not get to come home.
Help is still needed out here. To find out how you can help, go to our website at kyma.com. Reporting from Gila Bend, I'm Luis Lopez, 13 on your side.